Welcome to The Thinking Pot.
I'm.
What are
I
you?
almost said a different name.
What were you going to say?
I don't know.
What were you
I
about
was
to
about to
say?
say I'm Cammy.
You were going to say you're
I don't
Cam?
know. I'm Channing.
I'm Channy.
I'm Channing.
I'm Channy.
I am Channing.
I am Channing. What? I'm Cam,
I'm Channing.
and this is
The
the
Thinking Pot.
podcast where we're two lifelong
Brothers talk
we're
about
two
life
brothers
for very long.
flow down the human hole,
Yeah, we're gonna dive into the human hole right now.
which means
It's a
it's like a rabbit.
it's not a real human hole, but it's a
But it's play on words because it's like
Theoretical
it's
human
funny
hole.
because like the
Yeah.
flow of the human hole sounds like
Yeah.
you're going like the bathroom.
it's a rabbit hole.
It's like a rabbit hole, but for humans
It's the podcast.
because we aren't rabbits.
yeah,
And
but
everyone
we're
talks
humans.
about
So
these rabbit holes you go down for.
so when you go down a rabbit hole as a human, you're like talking a conversation and it like turns into something else.
yeah, but we needed to revamp that into what humans do.
Yeah.
So it's the flow
Yeah,
of
we're not
the
like
human
we're not
hole.
rabbits. Yeah, so and we're flowing down.
Yeah,
it.
it's a podcast.
Flowing
we're
down the
not,
human hole.
You know, we're not forcing the next. We just go down the rabbit
Yep.
hole. We go down the
Flow
human
down.
hole, so we flow
It's
down.
just
the,
a flow.
So it's the flow.
Smooth
of the
flow.
It's the flow of the human hole,
Yeah.
and that's what this podcast is about. We almost named it that, but we thought the Thinking Pot might be a little better.
Yeah.
Might sound a little better.
yeah.
Does my knee look bruised on there? It looks swollen. It's like a huge thing on it. Oh my god!
Wait, what the
Look
heck?
at that.
What's so big?
So I was in the shower, and I thought I broke my knee. I
almost
actually
broke
thought
it?
it broke. I didn't know if you could break your knee or not, but it
you
feels
think your record is invincible?
feels like I broke
invincible
it.
knees. The only body part that's invincible, your knee.
like it's just impossible. No, like do you break your knee or do you like sprain your knee or do you break?
Couldn't you like shatter it?
So for some reason my eyes were closed. Is your eyes closed in the shower?
Sometimes, yeah.
My eyes were
I think
closed.
I can. Yeah.
I was
do.
like washing.
I don't notice
in
it
my
probably.
face or something, and then like all of a sudden, boom! Like it was a really loud sound. Did you hear it?
No, I did not hear
Didn't hear
that.
it? It was like boing, like you know
Is your knee a spring? It's like go back and forth. Oh.
the shower. You know the door. It's like glass
The
in my
glass
bathroom.
door, yeah. The
And
huge door.
It's like dong.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh my! It looks from here it doesn't, but on
No.
the podcast it looks.
I don't know why it
big.
looks so big. Like it's huge compared to the other one.
Yeah. Anyways,
I don't know about that.
I'll keep you updated. I'll keep them updated on how it's doing.
Your
Next
knee
episode.
status.
Yeah. Well, I'll either be in a brace next episode or
Yeah. Yeah.
in a cast.
Yeah.
Or just fine. Anyways, I'm okay. Thanks
That's
for
good.
asking.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
It means a lot.
If you haven't noticed, I have some food right here.
And I have a bowl of
Yeah.
these nuts.
So I have a chicken sandwich because I was gonna eat, but
Because he was like thinking, why don't we just do?
I was thinking about the Thinking Pot, and I was like-
because we did the breakfast. And
Yeah,
You're
so-
trying to think of the best dinner food.
yeah. So
But
I'm gonna be eating this. He has nothing. And I have some zero sugar root beer. Yeah.
I think it's backwards. Oh, is it on both sides? Because the
Yeah.
logo's right there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's on both sides.
So
Do you taste the difference between zero sugar and diet stuff? Like, for example, Coke Zero and Diet Coke.
slightly.
But what's the difference?
There's no sugar.
Well, what's Coke Zero then? Zero
What?
sugar.
Yeah.
Then what's Diet Coke? No sugar.
Is it?
I think they use
Does it
like
have no sugar?
different artificial sweetener. But isn't that the same thing as Coke Zero? Isn't it also a artificial sweetener?
Yeah. Why is there Diet Coke and Coke Zero?
I don't know, but I like Coke Zero
Mm-hmm.
more. I just don't know why.
Then what? Normal Coke or
Diet Coke. It's different.
Me too. Diet
It's-
Coke, I feel like is like
Diet Coke is
It's like
like so different than
weird.
regular Coke. Coke Zero is like still tastes like Coke,
yeah.
but Diet Coke's like really different. I just don't know. I have to look it up, but there's some difference. I don't know if it's what they use or what, but you should have done that in the mic for ASMR.
Yeah.
Too late. How is it?
It's pretty good.
I love Coke. You know, last week or yesterday we talked about our new obsession.
Yeah.
But I failed to mention regular Coke.
Yeah, that's your real obsession.
That's my real obsession. I think it's addicting. Like
Sam's Cola?
real Coke. Okay. They're not. I don't know how many people are gonna agree with this or even
This is
have
niche.
ever tested it, but Sam's Cola, is it called Sam's Cola?
Sam's Cola, yeah.
Is so good.
The best Coke in the world.
Like there's there's Coca-Cola, there's Pepsi, whatever. Sam's Cola is the best.
It's a lot different.
And
but
you
it's
would think
so good.
I think it's the Walmart brand. Sam's
Yeah,
Cola. I think it's the
off-brand
Walmart
Coke.
brand Coke. And for some reason,
But it's better.
it's like this bite. It's like
Yeah, it's like perfect. It's like
makes
yeah, I know what you mean
takes the
though.
bite. Like
Yeah, you can. Yeah,
it's sharper, almost sharper than Coke.
Coke. Yeah, definitely.
And I love Coke, but Sam's Cola really. I mean, we're gonna have to do a podcast where we bring in each one and try them because. What, do you have it with you?
No, but I have a banana.
That's not Coke. You were pulling
No,
out-
this,
I guess
this is
it's
not.
gonna be
This is
Coke.
not Coke. But this is the banana.
I see that.
this
Clearly.
is the banana.
Okay. Nothing to
Take
do
another
with
bite.
Coke, but all right. Sandwich and banana. You're weird.
We'll eat tomorrow.
You're weird. I'm normal. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Anyways, this is the pod. We already said that.
New intro.
No, but to get into the actual podcast today, have you heard
No,
about?
wait.
What?
Today.
I said today.
What?
I said today.
Wait, what were we talking about?
I said,
You said-
to get into the actual podcast today. I didn't say yesterday.
No, what happened today?
Oh, well, yesterday, the moon launch.
Oh yeah.
Yesterday,
Uh huh.
you know, not the moon launch. The moon didn't launch away.
launched into Earth. It launched into Earth.
It went away. Now we have no moon. No, the what was it called? Artemis.
Artemis
Artemis.
2.
Artemis 2 launched with people in it to the moon for
Yeah.
the first time in like 60 years.
Yeah.
But you told me
No,
off
they didn't
camera-
go to the moon.
You told me off camera that they aren't landing on it.
No, they're not
Then
landing.
what are they doing then?
I
They're going to the moon but not landing on it?
They're going around the moon, around the back, and then back to Earth. I don't know what.
I'm just gonna stop by real
Yeah,
quick.
they want to check it out from far away from it.
It seems a little weird to me. I mean, if you're gonna go all the way up there, you might as well go on the moon. You're
Yeah.
gonna go around it.
What's
You might as
what's
well
the
land
point?
on it, see what's going on.
Yeah, imagine somebody on it.
Might have changed since last time, 60
Yeah.
years ago.
Yeah,
It's like-
why would they not?
I
They
don't
missed
know.
a chance. But I think it was 4 people.
Did you watch it?
Yeah,
Like a lot of people were watching.
yeah, I saw it. It was pretty
Could
close.
you see it? Like
Yes, I can actually see
I
the
wish
actual.
I
shit.
was. Oh, I wish I would have watched it. I wanted to see what it looked like. Did you get to take a video?
No, but I think someone did. I think we have a video.
Someone took it.
We have-
I know-
we have
I
a
know
video.
Someone took it.
Someone
You
here.
know how many people in the world there are? Of course, someone took
Yeah.
it.
So
I just don't get why you would go all the way up there and not land on it.
what could the reason be?
They're just exploring.
Like, I don't understand. I'm actually trying to think. Like, what was the point of the whole thing? Just to
They're up there right now. I mean, how long does it take to get there? Weeks, right?
does it? Yeah, probably.
How long does it take to get to the moon?
On average, it takes 3 days to get to the moon.
3 days. That's nothing.
From parade.com.
It's that close.
Yeah.
Then
I mean, that's not really nothing.
Then why have we only gone once, like ever? It's only 3 days away.
I guess it's dangerous.
Yeah, it's also dangerous to go up there just to go around.
Mm-hmm.
Unless they're trying to see how the orbit is to see if they could get to Mars because it's so much further.
Yeah.
Like if they could see if it could launch.
I don't know
them.
about Mars.
It's pretty far.
I don't know
Like-
about that. Like, you think we're ever gonna like
How many days would it take to get to Mars?
maybe like 3 weeks?
It takes between 210 and 300
200.
days to get to Mars, traveling at a normal speed, dependent on the orbital distance from
Wait, what is
Earth
normal
to
speed?
Mars.
Like walking?
300 days.
You
Compared
think
to
people are going right now?
compared to the moon's 3 days. That's how far. That's how much further it is. So I actually don't know either. How could we possibly?
You think we'll ever like somebody's gonna like actually live there?
Elon Musk said we're gonna get there by 2028.
That's not true.
Like, that's
If it takes
soon.
almost a year to
or
get
maybe
there,
not with humans. Maybe like with a aircraft, but still.
a robot. They have AI robots now.
They might as well. Why send anybody in space? And if you could just send an AI robot and it could walk around for
Yeah.
you, like the one that they took out to the White House.
Yeah,
You might as well
they
send
did that. Why don't they? That's
Send that
actually
one
a
up.
good.
Like they can think and stuff. So you
Yeah.
might as well be like, you go up.
You could just like it could just record like what it sees.
Yeah,
and
it
then you,
walks
like,
around because it
go
can walk
look
and
at it.
stuff.
Yeah,
Until
Yeah.
it dies, the battery.
yeah. You don't lose anything. It's just the
As long as they can.
oh the battery dies.
As long as they can get the
stuff on the moon.
Like, if it's that far away, could they even get the footage though? Like,
No, they come back, and then they get the footage from the robots.
how's it gonna? I don't know if you have enough fuel to get all the way back. Actually, I
Well,
don't
then
know
how
if-
does anyone
I don't know
get
if they
back?
can get enough fuel
Oh,
to get
you
to.
think-
I'm talking about to Mars.
To Mars?
Yeah, I'm
Oh.
talking about Mars. I don't think they have enough fuel to get to Mars.
No.
300
That's-
days away.
Well, if it takes almost a year to get there, and it would take so much fuel to get there, we're not going to be
And
on
it was
there
so
by
hard to get to the
2028.
moon. Like, remember,
That's only 3 years.
there's all these movies.
They better start
but
going
there's,
now.
There's all these movies about the moon. Like, it was so hard to get there.
Yeah.
Like, all this stuff. So
And then
that's only 3 days. So 300 days? You think? I mean, I don't know how we're ever going to get that far.
they better start going now. If by 2028,
Oh, yeah, they better hurry.
like it takes almost a year to get there.
I heard that they were doing this by 2050, sending people up there on a one-way trip. So it's like, if you're going, you're not coming back to Mars by
That's-
2050.
Didn't we talk
you can
about
sign
this?
up now. No, we didn't. Did we?
Yeah, you did on the first episode.
I did?
Yeah.
I don't remember that. But wouldn't that be crazy?
I would not do it.
Toby would.
Yeah,
He's the kind of person that would be like,
Yeah.
oh, sign me up.
He'd be the first one. He'd be the only one by himself.
Speaking of, welcome to the podcast, Toby.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Come on
Zooming
down.
in. Zooming to the moon right now.
Yeah.
Spaceship.
He's going.
He's
going
one of
to
4
Mars.
people going.
He's on the way.
To
On
the
the
moon.
300-day trip.
What they should do is stop on the moon, refuel.
Yeah. Bring a bunch of fuel and then just
Don't they have like the International
up.
Space Station up there? Or is it closer than that?
I don't know.
Yeah, there's an International Space Station,
Yeah.
but it's not on the moon.
No.
It's just in the sky. I don't know.
Space, I guess, just like closer.
I'm surprised they haven't built some kind of like elevator all the way up. I heard
All the
about
way? Well,
someone
you
trying
know-
to do that, but
Well, if you fold a piece of paper like
who's this guy?
28 times or something, it reaches the moon.
What are you talking about?
If
you know
you
how small piece
if you
of paper is?
fold one piece of paper 28 times.
You know how
Or, like,
small a piece
I
of
don't
paper
know. Like,
is?
look it up. How many paper folds does it take to reach the moon?
That's a weird question. How many paperfuls does it take to get to the moon?
It's actually a popular question.
A piece
Indeed.
of paper folded in half 42 times would be thick enough to reach the moon.
Yeah. See,
What?
it's like been a thing for a
What?
while. One piece of paper can reach the moon.
How big is
Not
this? This
physically
must be a
possible.
long
No,
piece of paper.
It's not physically possible.
Then what's the question? It's not
No,
physically possible. It's
if-
a joke.
if it's-
just kidding. Like what?
Theoretically, if you could fold a piece of paper that many times, it would reach the moon. But you can't.
If it's
people
a
have
big
tried.
piece of paper,
No, it would.
you want me to try?
Yeah, let's get the biggest. Oh, you want to get paper? One paper? Okay. See how many times you can do it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right. Well, while he's gone, I'll show you this. You just fall downstairs. I'll show you this little burger. Chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwich. I don't know what I'm saying. Chicken sandwich. It's not a brand or anything. No. Oh, he's back, guys.
You can count because I don't have a mic.
Okay. He said I can count because he has a mic.
How many folds? How big of a piece? How big of a fold?
In half.
In half?
Yeah.
Is that the question?
Yeah.
It didn't say that.
No, if folding a piece of paper is in half. Yeah, that's one.
Who's that?
One. That's one. What are you doing?
Trying to get to angle me.
It's not gonna hear you. Maybe it will if you talk loud enough. That's one, guys. Two. That's two folds, everyone.
See how small this is?
Yeah.
Think
See,
it's gonna reach the moon?
it will. Not right now.
Do you see how small this piece of paper is?
Yeah.
Do you know how
but,
far away the moon
But
is?
you know how
why in
It
the
could-
world
it'll
would
be-
this ever be big, long enough?
if you
for
could do it.
Look how small it is.
You know, it's like if you could do it, it would be like the thinnest piece of.
So why would
It
that
would be
reach
long
the
enough.
moon?
It would be long enough, but it would be really tiny. You see, it's getting smaller, but it's getting thicker.
It's not getting longer.
No, it's getting smaller, but it's getting thicker.
What's thickness have to do with anything?
That's how you to reach the moon. You gotta make it thicker.
So
You make it thick
takes up
enough.
the whole Earth. It's like so thick. It's just all
No,
over
no,
the Earth.
like look
What are you
at
talking about?
like stand up on the table right here. No, stand up.
They can't see the bowl's in the way.
Like flat. It has to be flat, like that. That's
You said stand it up. That's
like
not
this.
Standing up.
This is thicker than one piece of paper, but it's getting smaller.
You're weird.
Do it again. Go again. How am I weird?
3.
3. That's 3, everyone.
Yeah, look how small this is. You think this is gonna reach the moon?
It won't, but it's possible. No, it's not possible, but it's theoretically possible.
What do you mean theoretically? Last time I said that word. Last time I said theoretically,
wrong.
you said I was like an idiot. I'm talking about if half the world vanished, would half of every family disappear? And you're like, I was like theoretically. You're like, you can't use that word. So
half of our house will disappear.
oh, but theoretically, this piece of paper could reach the moon. Yeah, that's the same thing. Crazy.
If you fold enough times. Yep. Was that 4 or 5?
It's getting smaller.
Mm-hmm. But it's getting thicker.
No, it's not.
It's not.
It's
what's happening?
Not really that thick.
Yeah, but if you keep
You
folding
think if I folded
if
only
42
40 more times, it would get thick enough to reach the moon?
Yeah, try to
What
fold
are you saying? Like,
try to
what? I don't even understand what you're saying.
try to fold it 4
I can't even comprehend it.
Try to fold it 40 times, but you can't.
But the more I fold it, it's not getting like it's not growing.
It's doubling in width, but it's getting smaller. It doubles in width every time you fold it.
At best, you would get a crumpled piece of paper. You would not.
What are
get
you
to-
talking
you
about?
wouldn't-
At best, you would get a crumpled piece of paper.
you wouldn't
That's the
get.
dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life. What are you
wouldn't-
talking about?
You wouldn't, you wouldn't get to the moon. Look how small this is. What makes you?
If
think
you
this
fold it
tiny
again.
thing?
Fold
Yeah.
again. Just keep folding it. That's 6. 7. You said 5 and then. Okay. I know. 6. That's 6, everyone. It won't. Well, but
Yeah, exactly. It won't.
no.
I'm done with that strategy.
That strategy.
Theory.
What's your other strategy
Theory.
to make an elevator to the
I'm
moon?
done with that theory. Yeah, I'd rather make an elevator to the moon, not freaking fold a piece of paper until it gets somehow grows
You have to use like
larger
you have
and
to use
larger
like
until it makes it.
everything in the world to make an elevator to the moon.
Stupidity is just driving me insane. You think you can fold a piece of paper?
Okay, well that might not be true, but do you think the moon landing was real?
The one they're about to do right now.
No, the one where they actually
I know.
landed.
We watched them launch like.
Not
today.
that one.
Not that
They
one.
didn't land on the moon.
Oh.
The one where they did.
Oh, with
Someone.
Neil Armstrong.
Yeah. Do you think that was real or
Do I
not?
think that was real?
Yeah.
It is real.
you believe it?
Have you seen the footage?
Yeah, just
of it.
footage.
There is.
Yeah, just footage.
And one small step for man, one for Cam, one giant leap for mankind.
Yeah.
There's the
But
literal transmission.
Where's the proof?
In the pudding.
I'm not saying I don't believe it.
There's a
but
video of it and there's audio. How much more proof?
video
do you
and
need?
audio. Where's the actual proof? Like
Is that
that's
not enough
just,
proof
that's just
for
a
you?
video.
Video's not enough proof for you.
That's just a
Yeah,
video.
the actual thing that happened is not enough proof for you.
That's just a video.
Okay, what
So-
what more proof do you need? Tell me. What else could like help
Like
you?
that would make me believe is actually like seeing it happen. Not in a video.
Well, if you're not there, obviously you're not
so,
going to see
so,
it happen.
yeah, so how does anyone else know?
Well, so
If
you
he was the
think-
only one that went on
Okay,
it.
so you think if a tree falls in the woods, and you weren't there to see
No,
it, did
this-
it not happen?
That's different.
No, it's an analogy.
It's different. It's different from what I
not
just said.
different. You're saying because you didn't
No.
see it, because you weren't there to see it, it didn't
I
happen.
think it could have been fake.
But you're saying because you
It's
weren't
possible that it was fake.
there. You're saying because you weren't there to see it, it didn't happen.
No.
That's what you're
Well,
saying. You said the
That is
proof I
different.
need. The proof I need is being there. Well, guess what?
That's not what it sounds
What'd
like.
you say?
For Fridays, we'll be there. That's not what it sounds like.
Well, that's what you said though. And
Yeah.
so that means that by that logic, if a tree falls in the woods and you weren't there to see it, it didn't happen.
But what if you have a video of it? Does it actually mean that it fell?
Yeah. If I saw,
Just a video.
if I have a video of the tree falling, it's not enough proof for you to know it fell. You think that's all like
What if it's fake?
photoshopped? AI.
Yeah, well, it could have been
Well, back then there wasn't AI technology.
Photoshop.
I don't think there was Photoshop either. There was not even computers. Well, yeah, there was computers.
How'd they do anything?
there was.
How'd they get to the moon?
There
without
was, but
computers?
there wasn't like iPhones and stuff.
You don't need an iPhone to do Photoshop.
I don't think Adobe was a thing back then.
Well, maybe not Photoshop, but just like maybe just a set, like a
Oh,
moon.
so you think
Could have been
You're saying the video is
fake.
fake?
Yeah, it
Like,
could have been. I'm
you're-
not saying I believe. I don't know.
No, I've seen people talk about this, and
Yeah,
what the
I'm
most
not taking a
convinc-
side, but
Well, you're kind of
could have been a set.
but the most convincing to me reason why I would believe it didn't happen is because this guy that landed on the moon. There's always this interview that. There's
That's
this
awesome.
interviewer who always tries to ask this guy that landed on the moon if it was real, and he'll never answer it.
Yeah, why not?
He was like, put your hand on the
Yeah.
Bible and answer it, and the guy won't do it.
Why not?
I don't know. That's weird. It is a little weird. Maybe
Yeah.
he just doesn't want to play into that guy's games, or else the other option is that it didn't happen.
Yeah.
What's the point of faking that though? Why would anyone fake that?
Who
Why would
knows?
the U.S. government?
Who
like,
knows?
Why would the government lie? That never happens. Just kidding. Just kidding. That happens all the time. But I just don't think that. Back then, what year was it that happened?
1960.
What year was the moon landing?
1964. Is
Here's
my
an
guess.
answer from history.com.
See, they're-
1969.
Close.
That's not that long ago, actually.
1969 was not that long ago.
No, I mean, our parents were alive then.
Yeah, but
Like,
yeah. So
it's not that long
you're
ago.
you were like, it was so long ago. They didn't have computers,
Yeah, it was-
and you're saying it's not that long
Okay.
ago.
but that's besides the point.
That was like 100 years ago or something.
Yeah, it just feels like a long time ago, but it's really not. But my point is, in 1969, what's the point? What would be the point of faking that? Like, what would they get out of faking that?
Just to
For fun? Like,
so they don't have to actually do it. I guess. I
Misdirection?
don't know. Yeah,
do you think it was a big thing to get attention off of something else?
it could have been.
Like huge.
Yeah,
That's the
everyone's
only
probably
thing
thinking
that I
about
would
it.
think of. It's like,
Yeah,
if there was something huge happening and they had to divert attention to something else, and that's
Yeah.
the only way to do it. But like, you know how much preparation went into that? Like, the
Yeah.
astronauts training every day and all that stuff. You think that was all fake? NASA.
It could have been.
So you think NASA's like a big hoax?
maybe I don't know.
Whoa, I don't know. I personally, I don't think it was fake, but
It's a possibility.
it's a possibility. But everything's a possibility.
That's dumb.
That's the definition of a possibility.
That everything's a possibility.
Yeah, like the word possibility means it's possible. Everything's possible. What's not possible?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
It could,
so of
it's a
course
possibility that it could.
possibility. That doesn't mean it's likely though.
How do you know? How do you know?
Just-
What if it was? You never know.
I wonder how many people actually think it was fake. How many people like what percentage of people?
I bet it's more than you think.
You think it's a lot?
Probably.
Yeah, I wonder what else was happening in 1969. If there was some big thing,
Yeah.
where they needed to make that the
Mhm.
attention. That's all I can think of. That's the only reason they could do that. Because it would have to involve
Yeah.
huge people, like in power, government, like
Mhm.
to pull something off to make everyone
Yeah.
believe it's fake.
Yeah. So
didn't
they
the
could've-
Russians beat us there?
to the moon?
Yeah, didn't they land there? Didn't
Yeah.
they make it before?
I think
us?
they went to space before us.
Oh yeah, we put our flag. Wait, there was no flag when we got there. We were the first one.
Probably.
So they beat us in space. We beat them.
Yeah.
To the moon. Who will be the first? Wait. Okay. First of all, what's the next planet? Is there any other planet, or is Mars the only
Well,
option?
I think they would do that.
Because there's life on it, like
Yeah,
water and stuff.
Probably. That's
You
probably
know
the
what's weird to
only
me?
option. What?
I don't understand this. When I see the moon and them on it, it's like the surface is
What?
like the video of it. The surface is just like there's on it. Earth
it's
is
a
like,
planet.
but
You
Earth,
mean
we're
it's like well, it's smaller, but
there's on the top of it. Like Earth, we're like in
Yeah, does it-
Earth.
yeah.
We're like, and like we're not just
Does it-
sitting on top of it.
I don't remember what the video looks like. But
we can play. A clip
is it
on
like
it.
yeah for me to see? Was it like
I will
I feel like
say
it would look
a lot
like-
of people
like
think
you
it
just see-
looked fake.
where it ends? Like
Well, no, it's round.
yeah.
You think it's
No,
flat?
no, not where it ends.
You think
no,
it's flat?
No.
You
Not
think
saying
the Earth is
everything,
flat too,
everything's
don't you?
fake. No, I'm saying like where it goes down. Like what you think it's on the video is that small? Like
Oh, you could see it in the video that it went down?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know. But it doesn't make sense to me that it's like just this flat little thing when we're
Yeah.
on we're
How
we're on the surface of Earth.
how many like states or something could they fit on the moon? Like how big is it compared
don't
to
know.
Earth? Like how many?
I think it's pretty small.
Then maybe that's why it looked like it on the video. You think they could like? How long would it take to?
So you think it only looks different because it's smaller? Like that's the reason Earth doesn't look like that because it's so big?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Well, hey, how long would it take to run from one place on the moon all the way back to that place? Like, you think it would like it'd be possible
Yeah.
for one person? Like, that's crazy.
I don't think it's that big. Actually,
So how big? Like, is it just like how many people can you fit on it?
if you're on the moon, wait, no.
Sorry, I don't.
How big is the moon?
Oh,
14. Oh,
what?
14 million?
What?
How many square miles on the moon? 14.6 million square miles on the moon. How many square miles on Earth? 200 million.
So it's not like
It's not
That small.
It's bigger than I thought. But it looks. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why people question it. The video
Mhm.
looks kind of.
yeah. The video's like I feel like
But I think
they
the
could
same
easily
thing
fake
would,
that.
I think the same thing would happen on Earth if you took away all the trees and all the things that make it go
like
up.
just nothing.
If it was just flat,
'cause
it would
it's on
look
the
the
moon.
same. I think the moon just lacks. It has no depth, volume.
Yeah.
It's just like
Mhm.
flat. It's just
Yeah.
well, it's not flat, but it's just a surface.
Yeah.
Is Mars like that too, though? What it should be a surface?
Well,
like
how
that?
big is Mars? Is it bigger or
How many
smaller?
square miles is Mars?
Mars has an area of 5 crore 59 lakh, 7,013 square miles.
What?
That's it? 7,000?
Oh,
Pretty small.
that's not real.
We're gonna live there.
That's not. How many square miles
Who's gonna
is
get picked?
Mars?
Who's gonna get picked?
55 million.
Okay, so
Earth is 200 million,
fourth.
so it's smaller. But I guess
there's a lot of people. Keep showing.
I just wonder if it will be just like flat, like the moon, like the surface,
You think
or
it's
if it
like-
will be depth, like
What if there's like?
mountains and stuff, or is it just all flat?
What if there's like? Well, there's no life on it, so.
Well,
I
they
feel
said
like-
they found life on Mars, like water.
What if there's like? Oh, that's
Don't we have a
crazy. What if
rover
there's
on Mars right now?
a river?
Rover?
Maybe.
I thought we did, but if we can get that up there, we can get people up there.
Yeah. Well, if it's only a fourth of Earth, how many people are gonna live there?
1 billion. I think that it's just the plan. Like they're trying to prepare in case.
Yeah. Something happens.
Yeah, with like our oxygen or water or too many people.
Mhm.
Like there's got to be a plan just in case. But there's no like animals or anything,
No.
so I don't know how we would eat anything.
Yeah, you have a limited supply of
Yeah,
everything.
you have
What's
limited
the point
food
of even?
anyway, so you're gonna die anyway.
Should live there for like a few more.
I think the goal would be to grow, to figure out how to grow crops on
Yeah.
it so that you could eat.
Is there anything like what is it?
Isn't that
what
what
is it made of?
Interstellar's about? Mars?
Probably.
Have you
I-
seen it?
Not all of it.
We need to rewatch
Yeah.
it. There's one movie about Mars. It might be a different one, but
Did you just watch it?
no.
Oh.
I just
Um.
there's another. No, not the project.
Hail Mary.
No, it's an old. I watched it a while ago. I just can't remember what it's called.
So
There's
it's
Ad
about this-
Astra or something. Have you
What?
seen that?
No.
It might be something like
So what I
that.
was gonna say was, like, what is Mars made of? Like, is there anything like
What's Earth made?
other than
like,
like
what are you talking about? Like water and stuff, or Earth is a
Is
lot
there-
of water. It's like
I know,
70%
yeah.
water or something. Or
but
the human
like
body, I guess. It's 70% water.
like what is it made of? Mars.
Dust. It looks orangey, dusty.
Yeah, if the planets are different colors, what are they made of? Like, is it some new like
Well, Earth looks blue because it's the water, though. If you look at the
other parts,
Earth,
though.
and
is it just what is it? Like, what wait, is it green?
I heard that these pictures of planets are fake.
You think?
Yeah, people think that it's like all made.
It could be easily.
It's like no one would have the actual image of a planet. Like people think satellites are not.
Real?
They don't actually give
Anything?
photos like that or anything.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know if that's real or not, but that's a big bug.
Yeah.
Jeez. Where are all these mosquitoes coming from?
Probably because we opened the door a lot today.
We did.
I mean, going out, bringing out stuff.
Oh well, I don't know. I like you said, if there's a limited supply of food, you'd have to know you could make more before even trying. Like,
Well, you said growing crops, but like,
They need to test that before we go, though.
yeah,
somehow.
but what?
With an AI robot.
That's
what
what I'm saying. Like, what is it made of? Like, what can you do that on? Like, I don't.
There's another one behind you. Look.
Ew.
What is that? Is that a mosquito or not?
Might have to end this here, guys.
Is that the same one or not?
I don't know. Hope it's not like 100.
Oh my god. What were you saying? You just said something.
I said, if you said like growing crops. It's on. You said growing crops on Mars.
Yeah.
Like, how would they do that? Like, that's why I asked, what is it made of? Like, how are they gonna do
It
that?
looks like dust. The orange.
Can you even breathe? What is it like?
I don't think so. I don't think there's oxygen.
What we're gonna do?
Bring oxygen, I guess.
This is not gonna work. 2028. We're gonna go then.
No. they
What's
would
the
have to
point?
make they have to build a building where you
Yeah.
can breathe inside it, but
And then what?
just die.
They just
I don't know.
live there until
I think
they run out of everything.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen that fast. There's too much. I think we will eventually go. I just think there's too many.
They probably could figure out in the future like a way to grow everything on it. So
There's too many obstacles right now to do that. I think AI is gonna help though. It could probably help find solutions and also send AI bots.
Yeah.
Like
You think AI is gonna send AI bots?
no, we could do that.
Oh yeah.
Send AI bots
Yeah.
and also solutions to these
Uh-huh.
problems. Maybe I don't know. But
What if they send people to Mars and they like instantly just like die?
and then that's
Like,
it.
like it's
unfortunate.
over. The plan's done.
Then we would have to try again in a long time.
Yeah.
So you think?
What's the next planet if that doesn't work?
I don't know if there is one close enough
That you can like even do
that you
anything on.
can live on, because there's some that are too hot, some that are too cold. But Mars like matched, I think matched
Yeah.
something
Probably like
matched.
close enough to
Yeah.
Earth.
It just goes to show you how good Earth is. Like we're so lucky. It's like
Yeah.
livable. We can breathe. You know, it's weird that we can breathe because the trees.
Yeah.
Trees produce oxygen,
Yeah.
but no other planet has trees.
You think you could plant trees on Mars?
It's a good question.
And then they have oxygen.
Please tell me that's the same one and not another one.
Ew. Ew. Ew.
Is that the same
Ew,
one?
what's it hopping?
It is?
Yes. It's like it's flying though, but it's like hopping. Guys,
Try.
send help.
Yeah, please help us. We're gonna die. Yeah, it's cool that I guess that's why people think that we're the only planet with life. Because
That'd be weird.
There's no other planet with trees.
You think
and
there's
stuff.
anything out there? Like,
It's hard to tell. I go back
What
and
if-
forth.
What if
think-
there's like,
Because outside of our galaxy, it might be different.
what
Like-
is nothing?
Or it could be nothing.
Oh, that's sad.
Well,
I wish there was like something like a whole different planets of like weird people.
I think we're just that special.
that it's only us.
Yeah, I just think Earth was made.
Yeah.
Like I think we're the only one that. There could be aliens. I just don't think so.
Yeah.
And if there were, I don't know if they'd be smart enough. I don't know if they're smarter than us.
What if it's not even like close to like?
It's too far to even ever get there.
No, I'm not talking about like far. I'm talking about like. What if they're not even like physical like things? What if it's so different
It
from
could
us?
be, yeah.
Like they have like different senses and stuff.
I think that's how angels are.
Like
You ever see a photo of what like an angel looks like
no.
from a biblical angel? It's like it's weird looking. You know what I see?
Oh no,
You've never seen that?
I haven't.
You gotta show this.
I will.
It's like really weird, but it's how it's described.
Is what biblically accurate angels look like.
What?
The Bible tells us of
What is that?
It's weird, like shape,
since been categorized
huge eye.
as accurate angels. In this video, I'm bringing down the biblically accurate.
But that's something like humans would think of.
But it's what it says in the Bible, like
That's what it says.
the description.
That's what?
Like this weird, big. It's crazy.
That is weird.
So that could be like what I'm thinking of when you say so different.
Yeah.
That's what I think of.
Mhm.
Like that. It's crazy.
Yeah, that's
Just look up biblically accurate angel for to show them.
yeah.
But that's aliens is a stretch for me. I don't know. I wonder if we can get that far.
Yeah.
There's-
You think
if
we're
there
like
is,
close?
if there is, there's no way for us to know. It's too far away.
Mhm.
I think.
You think we're like close to our like limit of technology?
Well, every time someone says that.
Yeah, that's what I'm
something-
saying. Like you think?
Like they said that probably when the first computer came out,
Mhm.
and then the
Yeah.
iPhone came
Uh-huh.
out, and then AI is the next breakthrough.
Yeah, it seems. It
After-
seems like they just keep making. Like, what's that?
I think AI is as big of a jump as like the first phone was.
Mhm.
It's that big. The internet.
What could possibly the next thing be? I wonder what it's gonna be.
That's what they
Like,
said back then too,
yeah,
though.
Like,
And so
it's crazy. Like, what else could they do?
I think there's always gonna be something else. Like, it's gonna keep going until we die. Like,
yeah,
as long as there's humans, they're gonna find a way to.
yeah,
No one ever thought AI would be a thing. Like,
Mhm.
like just
a fake
knowing
person.
everything.
Yeah.
Like it's and then it's a real robot. It's like,
Mm-hmm.
well, the next thing will be real AI robots.
You think they'll ever make like artificial conscience?
In a human, like they put it in a human.
No, a
Like-
robot.
Like Elon Musk's brain chip thing.
no,
'Cause
In
that's
a
the
robot.
other direction.
put like a
No, I don't think it's possible. I don't think.
Yeah.
I think you could make it think. Like I think you could code it to be like, I have a conscience, but it wouldn't.
Yeah.
There's no way to actually get one.
not a real one. That's why I said artificial. Like, you think they could get? How close do you think they could get to that?
I don't think they can do it. But
Like,
that's
I wonder
just my opinion.
how they could do it. Like,
The other option or the other side of it is like Neuralink and humans
Yeah.
knowing everything.
oh, it's like
Like,
it's
they
like how
put a-
AI works, but it's like,
They put a chip in your
and then
brain.
just like you just know everything.
Do you think it would actually work like that?
I don't know if that's possible. That's so
Putting a
weird.
chip in your brain, how does that even work?
how they know how like your brain like
They're acting like it's a computer where you
yeah,
insert.
you put some
chip.
put little like
Why would that
chip with
work?
everything on it.
But then
I don't
think,
know.
How do they make a computer and make that chip go into it and actually stuff comes up like a video?
Yeah,
If they can do it on a computer, they can probably do it on a brain.
yeah,
I don't know.
that's crazy.
Last time we said we're not going to talk about AI again.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Well, it's more about space.
Yeah, but we got to AI again.
Yeah, yeah.
AI in the context of space, I think it'll get us a lot further.
Mhm.
But I still don't think it's it's just there's too many things too far.
Yeah.
We can't even get out of our galaxy. Like it's
Mhm.
too far.
Yeah.
Because people say there's like hundreds of galaxies.
I don't know about that.
You don't think it's true? How big
100
is space? You think?
Is
You
it
think
like
it's the limit? There's a limit.
space?
Yeah,
Or,
you think space
what?
is the limit? There's a limit to it, or do you think it's infinite? You just keep
We'll
going?
probably find out if we get. Maybe one day they'll get like
Really good cameras?
generating like fuel, like it's all it keeps like making more
Itself,
from
yeah.
by itself, and then they just keep going.
But do you think there's a limit or not to
What?
space? Do you think space has a limit?
like an end? Like,
Yeah.
But what would it be? Nothing. Like you go into it and it's just
Just stop.
No,
You
yeah.
just stop.
everything.
You can't even comprehend it. Like you just
Yeah.
stop.
Yeah.
Do you think there is an end or it's infinite?
I think it's probably infinite. I think it's just
That's weird.
because space isn't like a room or anything. It's just space. That's why it's called space because it's
what is that?
it's just space.
That's weird.
Nothing.
To think about.
It's just
What
empty.
is it?
Emptiness.
What is it?
Nothing.
Well, planets all sit in it.
Yeah, I don't know how we are in it.
Yeah.
There's like
It's so
this
weird.
random spot with like planets and there's
Yeah, like-
Earth and the only life on it.
They're
is
just sitting on
yeah.
a line. The planets.
You mean like actually like in line?
Yeah, there's a line of planets.
Yeah.
To the sun,
Yeah.
and they're all in space, just sitting there.
Yeah.
It's the
I don't know.
weirdest thing ever.
Yeah.
What was my
But-
question to you? Do you think it's infinitely
Infinite,
vast? Yeah. Yeah, it's weird to comprehend. I
Mhm.
can't comprehend it actually.
Yeah. It's too far. Too much to think about. Not for us to think about. Just
Not in the pot.
not in the pot.
But if
Too
you,
much for the thinking pot.
If you
Too,
think
the thinking pot's too full right now.
yeah, if you think that it's infinitely vast, then what makes you think there's not more galaxies? If it's just infinite space,
Maybe if we keep going far enough, we'll find something. That would be crazy.
that's what I mean.
And-
If it's infinite,
What if they just stay there?
if it's infinite, there's gonna be another planet somewhere.
How similar would it be to like humans? Like, you think it's like just like a differently looking
I don't
human,
know.
or was like something different?
I don't think there's any other things like us.
Yeah.
I think if there's anything, it's like animals. I don't think there's anything intelligent. I think humans were created like this.
To be the only like actual
yeah, I think there might be
thinking
animals that are aliens,
creatures, like yeah,
but they're not. They don't have a soul.
No.
Like a
they probably don't like think that much. So
yeah,
it's
like
just
like if you
it's
think
just
of all
like they just
animals
survive.
and us,
Yeah.
humans
They're a lot
are
different.
different.
Mm-hmm.
We have a conscience.
Mm-hmm.
Like, and I don't think AI can make that. I don't think anything
No.
can make a conscience. I think
Heck
it's
yeah.
just humans. It's the only things.
Yeah.
But if space is, I can't even understand. Like if it just continues forever, there has to be like at some point you're gonna run into something, right?
Yeah.
Or do you think if
Maybe.
you keep going, you get back to where you were?
That would be weird. Like you're
Like,
back.
If you go all the way, you finally get back to Earth.
Mm-hmm. That's weird.
It's the weirdest thing. No, you wouldn't. If it's infinite, you would never.
No. You just keep going, and then
Forever.
yeah.
Just
If
keep
you keep
going.
going, then you just keep going until nothing. Like no stop until you want to go back.
Space is full of stars, but you think it's only here?
The stars?
Yeah, our galaxy, or like outside of this, you think there's no stars? It's just like black.
Maybe it could be like if you go too far, then it's just complete black.
Yeah, it's weird. Weird
Yeah.
to think about that.
Mm-hmm.
Space.
Yeah. It's just like,
It's just.
but it's black.
I guess you're right. It's just like called space because it's just space.
It's a space
It's
of
just
nothing.
It's just it's just space.
But it's black. It's so weird. It's like
It's not black. It's
It's
just
nothing.
dark.
yeah.
If you had a huge flashlight and really big,
Or you like saw some like
would
big
it be
thing.
all white? But the
Well-
sun's really bright.
You think well if space is infinite, then you can't the sun can't make the whole thing
Actually-
bright. There's no end. If there's no end, then you can't make where's the light go bounce off of if you have a huge flashlight?
Yeah,
it
I
would
guess
just
you're
keep
right.
going.
But we can see the sky.
Yeah.
When
What is the
When
sky?
the sun's up, we see the sky. So it's the sun lighting up what? Space. So is space actually
Earth.
blue?
What? What are you talking about?
You think when we look up to the sky, it's Earth?
No, what? You said the
At
sun
night, I see
the sun
stars.
shines on
At night, I see stars.
Yeah.
That's the sky. That's space. When I see
Yeah.
stars,
So
it's
because
space.
when
But in the daytime, it's blue.
that must just be the so she made the
When the sun's out.
yeah
So then how come space doesn't turn blue even though the sun's there?
because there's nothing to bounce off of
Then what does it bounce off of when I look up to the sky?
the Earth.
The water?
Yeah,
Is it
probably
blue because
just,
of the water?
Just yeah,
Is it? Is it blue because of the water? Is it blue?
maybe
So it's like reflecting?
it could be.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
that's
just remember what I was going to say earlier.
similar color.
You know, if you're standing on the moon and you have a really good camera and you record, it's going to show stuff happening from a long time ago.
How far?
Or like if you're on Mars or something, it's like it will show the Roman Empire that far
You think
back.
it'll go
in-
that
in
far
time.
back in time, or like a second?
Yeah, because they're called light years. So
That's
however
crazy.
many light years away you are,
That's what a one.
yeah, or else like however far you are, it's all speed of light.
Yeah,
it's
so if you
like
go too
you can
fast.
see
Too far.
the path happening
Yeah.
if you're in space.
That's. Do you think that's actually true?
Yeah, but I
Yes.
want to see it.
Oh yeah.
Like, you
I wanna
you
do it
can
one
go
day.
back in time and see like dinosaurs
That's cool. That's the future.
just by going to space and looking
yeah.
really far. If you had a good enough camera to see that far.
Yeah. I mean, they probably will one day.
I wonder if that is real or not.
Technology.
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know how. It doesn't make sense to me how you could see the past like that.
I think that's just like based on how things work. Just how things work. People just think that's what could happen. Like,
Who made up light years? Someone just made that up.
what do you mean? Like the name or them? Like you
The
think people
thing
just
that
made
like
it?
light speed.
Travel? Like speed travel.
Something travels at the speed of light.
Wait, what?
Light years is like
Yeah.
sound. Wait, I don't know. Sound travels slower, right?
Yeah.
Because if you look at an airplane, you'll hear it like in a different spot than where it's
Uh-huh.
flying. You'll hear it behind it because light travels faster.
Yeah.
It's just, I don't know. Is it physics?
Science?
But is it physics that's like the light years
What?
and stuff?
Oh.
Or is it called something
Physics
else?
or
I don't know what it's called. Like whoever thought of all that.
I think it's science.
It's not chemistry.
No.
So what else is there? It's physics, right?
You think that's physics? Like,
Gravity's physics.
yeah, but that's not gravity. That's just like light years. That's not.
It's just science.
Affected by
and
gravity.
Just science.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, thank you for thinking with us in the thinking pot today.
Thanks for watching this episode of Think
Let
About
us know what you think about, well, first of all, the moon. Why are they going to the moon and not landing on it?
Yeah, tell us.
Do you think the moon landing was real? And are we the only ones here?
Yeah. Come
There's a
back.
lot. There's a lot for us.
Yeah.
There's a lot for you to think about. And
Yeah.
let us
Yeah,
know.
when you're done, just think about that. Come back tomorrow for the next episode of The Thinking Pot.
And don't forget to click that subscribe. Smash that subscribe button.
As hard as you can.
And like button. And
What else is there?
the bell.
Yeah.
Ring the
Turn
bell.
on the bell when you subscribe. Yeah.
Ring the bell. And comment. Do all
Yeah.
the things. Help us out. We're
Yeah.
new. We're a new podcast. But we think like
Keep it going.
unlike anyone.
Yeah.
We are the thinking pot.
The Thinking Pot. The pot that thinks.
So thanks for thinking with us.
We think in the pot.
See you next time.
Peace.
Peace.